This is another product to test. This is the Stiga PR100E. It's a nice little chainsaw. It's got, you have to fill it up with oil because the oil distributes onto the chain to keep it from being damaged and burning in the heat. This is a protection against, obviously, if you're handling it like this, keeps the chain well away from you. It has an adjuster on the chain, a nice simple adjuster to adjust on that side. Take the chain case off. Electric battery as normal with most Stiga equipment, including the trimmers that we use ourselves, those secateurs that I love. And basically it's got the same trigger. You push that forward, it's your safety device, and there it goes. So let's see what it's like when it cuts into some of these water chutes that we're trying to remove on this apple tree. Nice clean cut there. We'll just do a couple more to show you, get rid of that one. Easier than cutting off with a handsaw. That's the PR100E, and I think you better just leave me to carry on.